Hello students, this is Preeti Damle, your English teacher. Students, today we are going to study English grammar. The topic is tenses. In this video, we are going to learn the second form of tenses, that is past tense. So first of all, let us know what is past tense. So past tense is also known as past indefinite tense. Now, this is used to indicate a finished or completed action that occurred or happened at a specific point in time in the past. Now, a specific point can be diverse and can cover a long period of time, but it cannot be undeterminable. Now, the signal words for past tense are like last year, ago, at first, last week, yesterday, and so on. So the syntax for past tense is subject plus the second form of the verb plus object. Like for example, we watched the news last night. So here in this sentence, we is the subject, watched is the second form of the verb, the news is the object, and last night is defining the specific point, that is past. Take the other example, they went to the party yesterday. So they is the subject, went is the second form of the verb, to the party is the object, and yesterday again defines that specific point of time. Now the negative form for simple past is subject plus did not plus V1 plus the object. Yes, for example, we did not watch the news last night. So this negative form is simple. We are just inserting did not. We is the subject, did not from the syntax, watch is the first form of the verb, the news is the object, and last night the specific time. See the other example, they did not go to the party yesterday. So they is the subject, did not is from the syntax, go is the verb, to the party the object, and yesterday is the specified time. Now how do you write the question form of simple past? You simply bring the auxiliary verb in front of the subject. So we have did plus subject plus V1 plus object. Take for example, did we watch the news last night? Take another example, did they go to the party yesterday? Okay. Next we have past continuous tense. Now past continuous tense is used to show an action that was going on at a given period of time in the past. Now the action had already started before this period of time but had not finished. Yes, so the syntax for past continuous tense is subject plus was or were plus V1 plus ing plus object. Take for example, you were watching television last night. So you is the subject, were from the syntax, watching V1 plus ing form of the verb, television is the object, and last night is that specified time. Take another example, I was washing the dishes when the phone rang. So I is the subject, was from the syntax, washing, that is V1 plus ing form, the dishes is the object, and when the phone rang is that time. Now to write the negative form of past continuous tense, you simply insert not after was or were. Like, you were not watching television last night. Yes. Take another. I was not washing the dishes when the phone rang. Now how to write the question form? You simply bring was and were in front of the subject. For example, were you watching television last night? Or was I washing the dishes when the phone rang? Yes. Next, we have past perfect tense. Now, this is used to describe an action that was placed, or you can say it was before another action in the past, that occurred before another action in the past. It shows past situations that relates to the present. It is used with words like already and just to refer to actions which were completed before a specific time in the past. Yes. Now how do you write the positive form of past perfect? So we have subject plus had plus verb in third form plus the object. Like for example, I went there after I had completed the task. So I is the subject, had from the verb syntax, completed the third form of the verb, and the task is the object. Take another example. She had come late to the school. So she is the subject, had is from the verb, come is the third form of the verb. Yes, an object is late to the school. Negative form of past perfect, you simply insert not. I had not completed the task. She had not come late to the school. To write the question form, we have had plus subject plus V3 plus object. Like for example, had you completed the task? Where had is from the syntax, you is the subject, completed is the verb's third form, and object is the task. Take another example. Had she come late to the school? The last point is past perfect continuous tense. Now this is used for an action that began before a certain point in the past and continued up to that point. The syntax here is subject plus had plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object. V1 verbs first verb. For example, when her husband came home, the woman had been cleaning the house for hours. Yes, here in the sentence, the task had, since the past perfect continuous says, the action had begun before a certain point. So here the certain point is the arrival of the husband at home. Yes, that is the specific point, that is the specific time. Yes, and the task of cleaning the house had already begun from this particular point of time, and it is still in process, which has taken hours. Take another example. The ground was covered with snow. It had been snowing heavy for several hours. Yes. Then the negative form is like subject plus had plus not plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object. Where For example, I had not been waiting for Sarah for 40 minutes before she called me. Yes, I is the subject, had from the syntax, not again from the syntax, been again from the syntax, waiting V1 plus ing form. For Sarah is the object. For 40 minutes before she called me is your complement. Now question form of this is had plus subject plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object. For example, had they been running for several minutes when the teacher came? Where had is the from the syntax, they is the subject, been again from the syntax, running V1 plus ing form, for several minutes is the object there. Take another example. Had we been waiting for Sarah for 40 minutes before she called us? Okay, thank you.